Good morning, boys. Hope that you are quite well in this situation. Mathematics class of class 10. Today's date is 28th April 28/04/2020. 28. Today's date is 28. Is there any beauty of this number 28? Watch this. First, find the factors of 28. These are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Now if we find the sum of these factors, how much? 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 plus 28, that is 56. That is 2 into 28. Or the proper divisor of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7 and 14. Sum of the proper divisor is 28 again. So, is there any number which follows this property? Out of how many two digits number are there from 10 to 99? There are no such number which has obey this property. This is only 28, one number. That means this can be written as 2 into 20, twice the number, or sum of the proper divisor, that is equals to 28. So if n is any number whose proper divisor, sum of proper divisor are that number, then suppose this is n, this type of number known as perfect number. This type of number known as perfect number. And we see that perfect number, very few perfect number are there. In single digit number, that means 1 to 9, only one perfect number, that is 6. In two digit number, that means 10 to 99, only one perfect number, that is 28. In three digit number, there is also only one perfect number. In four digit number, exists only one perfect number. So obviously perfect number as formula, we get perfect number from this. But today our discussion on not that topic. So just we see what is perfect number, since today's date is 28. 28 is a special number and that is the perfect number. So perfect number is, which number is perfect number? If its sum of the proper divisor is equal to that number, or in other way, sum of the factors is twice the number known as perfect number. Why studies perfect number? Everyone try to be perfect in his life or in his education, his or her obviously. But I think no such definition of perfect in our study, in our profession, etc. But we have always tried to be perfect. I think that all of us go to a standard position. Standard position, not perfect position, but in standard position. Since perfect, definition of perfect in our life is not actually perfect. So we go to up to standard. You read in class 10, so your standard is 10. Now we study here class 10 and the previous class are trigonometry. So we study here trigonometry of standard, that means standard angle. Up to class 10, which are standard angle, discuss this. Which are the standard angle and what is the value of this. So we study about standard angle today. Trigonometrical ratios of standard angle. We start trigonometrical ratios of standard angle. So let's start trigonometrical ratios of standard angle up to class 10, of standard class 10. So there are many standard angle like 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and also 0 and 90 also. Now in this case we take 45 degree. Find the trigonometrical ratios of standard angle 45 degree in using a triangle. How? Here we draw a triangle, right angle isosceles, or isosceles right angle triangle. Triangle PQR is an isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle means two sides are equal, one angle is 90 degree. So obviously other two angles must be equal. Angle PQR and angle PRQ both are 45 degree. It is known to all of you. So right angle isosceles, since it is isosceles triangle, suppose this and these two sides are also equal, PQ is equal to PR. Suppose PQ and PR is x unit. We draw here, these are x unit. So by Pythagoras theorem, we know that perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. So PR square plus PQ square is equal to PR square. Using this, we find RQ. This length RQ square is equal to PQ square is x square and PR square is also x square. So x square plus x square 2x square. Taking positive square root, since its length of a side of a triangle, so it must be positive. So we take positive square root, then we get x root 2 PR. Here is x root 2. So this is right angle triangle, and the ratios is known to all of you. Sin theta means perpendicular by hypotenuse. If we take this angle 45 degree, take this angle as theta. So sin PQR, sin PQR, from this we know that this means perpendicular, here the perpendicular is PR and the hypotenuse is RQ. So write down here sin of the sin PQR is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is PR by RQ. Now PR, length of PR is x by our assumption, and RQ we get x into root 2. X is non-zero obviously, so 1 by root 2. Therefore we can conclude sin 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Next, cos theta. Cos theta again, cos PQR, that means base by hypotenuse. Here the base is adjacent sides of this angle known as base. So PQ adjacent sides by hypotenuse. Adjacent is PQ, that means PQ by RQ. Length of PQ is x and length of RQ is x root 2. Again x is cancel out, we get 1 by root 2. So cos 45 is again 1 by root 2. Next, tan of the angle, same angle, tan PQR, and tan is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So tan of this angle, tan PQR, angle PQR is equal to perpendicular by base. Here is the perpendicular, PR is the perpendicular, and base is PQ. So right here PR by PQ, both are x, that means x by x, that is 1. So tan 45 degree is 1. In this way we can find the reciprocal of the others, reciprocal of sine, cos and tan, and the reciprocals are known as, if sine, reciprocal of sine theta is cosec theta, that means cosec 45 degree is equal to 1 by sine 45 degree, that is 1 by root 2, that means root 2. Sec 45 degree, same way, reciprocal of cos 45, that is what, again this is again 1 by cos 45, 1 by root 2, that is again root 2, and cot, reciprocal of tan, cot 45 degree is again in this way 1 by tan 45 degree, and tan 45 degree is 1, so 1 by 1, that is 1. So we get all 6 ratios of 45 degree. But this is in this way you draw a triangle and find the value, we get the all others like 30 degree, 60 degree, etc. But we can find this in easier way. Okay, so what is the easier way? Just we find that after that. Okay, up to class 10 the standard angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. These are the standard angle up to class 10. Obviously 0 degree or 0 radian are same, 30 degree is nothing but pi by 6 radian. In radian unit, this is pi by 6. 180 by 30, that is pi by 6. 45 degree in radian unit, pi by 4, and 60 degree in radian unit is pi by 3, and 90 degree in radian unit is pi by 2. You know that the radian and the degree, etc. So this is not actual method, obviously. You must remember the values of these angles. But we are finding the shortcut way. This is not actual process. I repeat once again. The actual process: draw a triangle and find the value, like previous one. So how we get in shortcut way? Write down from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. In this angle there are 5 standard angle: 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Write here first 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the below of this standard angle. The highest number is 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Highest is 4. Divide all this number by the highest number, that is 4. So it is 0 by 4, it is 1 by 4, it is 2 by 4, it is 3 by 4 and it is 4 by 4. Then take square root of each. Take square root of each. Square root of 0, square root of 1 by 4, square root of 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Square root of square root of 3 by 4 and square root of 1. Take positive square root only here. So square root of 0 is nothing but 0. Square root of 1 by 4, positive square root, so 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square root is nothing but 1 by root 2. This is root 3 by 2. Square root of 4 is 2 and root 1 is 1. Very easy. Now these are the nothing but the values of the sine of the angle. Sine of the angle: sine 0 degree is 0, or sine 0 radian is 0. Sine 30 degree or sine pi by 6 is 1 by 2. Sine 45 degree, we know earlier. Sine 45 degree or sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degree or sine pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. These are, and sine 90 is 1. Now if we write this in reverse way, that means start from here in other reverse way. First write 1, then root 3 by 2, then this one in reverse way, 1 by root 2, next 1 by 2, next 0. This is nothing but the value of the cos of the angle. First I repeat once again: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Dividing by 4, next take square root, we get the values of sine of the angle, standard angle. And if we write in reverse way, start from here, we get the value of the cos of the angle. So value of cos 0 is 1, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree 1 by root 2, cos 60 degree 1 by 2, cos 90 degree 0. And we know that tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. So if we divide these, we get the value of tan. So tan theta, that means tan 0, 0 by 1, that is 0. This is 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. This is nothing but 2 are cancelled, 1 by root 3. This 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, that is equals to 1. Tan 45 degree 1 we learned earlier. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, that is again root 3 only. And this is 1 by 0. Something by 0 is obviously, it is known to all of you, this is undefined. So tan 90, value of tan 90 is undefined. So we get the sine, cos and tan. If we get sine, tan and cos, then we can easily find the other threes, that is reciprocal of this. If the question is find the value of cosec 30 degree, cosec 30 degree, that means 1 by sine 30 degree, and value of sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Just put here, we get 2. So cosec 30 degree is nothing but 2. So if we remember the value of sine, cos and tan, then we can easily find the value of cosec, sec and tan. chord. So you must remember this. You must remember this table, not this one. So this is for how we get this easily. It is shortcut method. I repeat once again, it is shortcut method, not the actual method. But you can follow this. Just we need the value of this angle. So you use this type of technique. Clear? So this is the standard angles and values of this. If we know sin theta, cos theta and tan theta, we can easily find cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Okay. Question number 2 of your book, exercise 23.2. ABC is a right angle triangle with angle B is 90 degree, and if AB is equal to 8 root 3 unit, length is of AB is given and length of other side BC is 8 centimeter, both are in centimeter obviously, not unit, centimeter. Then we have to find the value of this angle ACB, angle BAC, angle ACB and this. We draw a triangle here, angle ABC, where it is given that angle B is 90. We have to find out these two angles. And length of this side is 8 centimeter is given and length of this side is 8 root 3 is also given. So we have first find the angle, this one, BAC, this angle. Let this angle is theta. Angle BAC is equal to theta. Now from it is right angle triangle, then what is the value of tan theta? In this case, if we take this angle is theta, this is the adjacent side, that means base, and this the opposite side taken as perpendicular, and obviously AC is the hypotenuse. Here it's not required. Say use tan theta. Tan theta perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base. So here is the perpendicular CB and base is BA. So right here. And it is also given the length of CB and length of B are given. Just put here length of CB is 8, it is given, and length of AB is 8 root 3. Just put here, so we get 1 by root 3. But we know that tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. It is known to all of us now. Now it is known by previous. We already discussed the value of tan theta is 1 by root 3 from there. So tan theta is equal to tan 30. Put here 1 by root instead of 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is right here. This is tan theta. These are same. And instead of 1 by root 3, we use tan 30. Therefore, theta is equal to 30 degree. Mind it, you do not cancel here tan. Clear? It is not possible. Cancel both sides from tan. I repeat once again, tan is not cancelled here. The other things, this not in your syllabus. If you write just tan theta is equal to tan 30, then theta is equal to 30. That's enough to write. No need to write cancel out or these, etc. Okay, these are other things that is not known to you now. You just write theta is equal to 30 degree. Now, what is the value of which angle is theta? This we have already right here, angle BAC. Clear? Now we find the other angle also. You can use trigonometry or very simple geometry. Sum of three angles of a triangle is 180. So if this is 90, then sum of other two must be 90. 180 minus 90, 90 is. So angle BAC plus angle ACB is 90. So angle ACB is nothing but 90 degree minus of BAC. We write here BAC 90 degree. Instead of BAC, angle BAC is equal to 30 degree. Put here. So this other angle is 60 degree. You in this way you use tan, or in other way, if you find AC by Pythagoras theorem, then you may use sin theta, you may use cos theta, etc. Clear? So this is only one method. There are several methods to find this. You choose any one of them. Clear? So we go to next question again. Next question number 4 of the same exercise of your book. In a right angle triangle PQR, angle Q is 90 degree and angle R is 45 degree. If PR is equal to 3 root 2 unit, then find the length of PR and RQ. Here we draw a right angle triangle PQR, in which angle Q is 90 degree, it is given, and angle R is 45 degree also. Okay. We have to find out the length of PQ and QR. Length of PQ and QR. First, let the length of PQ be x unit. Let the length of PQ be x unit. Now, using trigonometry, sine of the angle PRQ, this angle. So obviously, if we consider this angle, this taken as perpendicular, this taken as base or adjacent sides, and this is hypotenuse. And sine theta known as perpendicular by hypotenuse. So sine PRQ, perpendicular is PQ and hypotenuse is PR. PQ by PR. So this angle is given 45 degree. So write sine 45 degree. PQ we taken this is x, and PR, length of PR is given, that is 3 root 2, put here, and the value of sine 45 degree we know earlier is 1 by root 2. Value of sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2, put it here, 1 by root 2, x by 3 root 2. Now that is x is equal to, after simplification, 3 root 2 by root 2, that is x. Root 2 to cancel out, so x is equal to 3. Therefore, length of PR is 3 unit. Length of PR is 3 unit. If this unit is given centimeter, then this is centimeter. If it is in unit, it is in unit, no problem. Next, we have to find out the other side also. You can use Pythagoras theorem, we get the answer, or you can use trigonometry again. Both are logical methods, so both are correct. No problem at all. Here we use trigonometry. Now, tan of this angle, tan of PRQ, tan theta is nothing but perpendicular by base. So tan of PRQ is equal to PQ by QR. So PQ by QR is equal to tan, this angle is given 45 degree, so tan 45 degree. PQ already known, that is 3, PQ by QR, and value of tan 45 degrees 1, value of tan 45 degrees 1, so right here. So QR is equal to 3, therefore length of QR is also 3 unit. Clear? Length of this is 3 unit. Either use tan or use cos, we get the answer, or you use Pythagoras theorem, then we get the same answer, or you use plane geometry, then we get the same answer. If it is 45, this is also 45, this is 45, so this is also 45, so this side must be equal, therefore this is also again 3. Any method you can find this. First find this one side, then other side can be find in any way, any logical way. Okay. Next, determine the value of 5,4 and 5,8 of your book. 4 by 3 cos square 30 plus 3 sin square 60 degree minus 2 cosec square 60 degree minus 3 by 4 tan square 30 degree. And second one is tan 60 degree minus tan 30, 1 plus tan 60 tan 30 plus cos 60 cos 30 plus sin 60 sin 30. Okay, no problem. Here is just put the value. First remember the value of all standard angle and just put here. We get the answer. Very simple sum these are. First sum number 4, cot square 30 degree. Value of cot 30 is root 3. So cot tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So cot 30 is root 3, just reciprocal, root 3 square. Next sin 60. Value of sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So 3 remains same, root 3 by 2 whole square, since it is sin square 60 degree. Sin square 60 degree means value of sin 60, then squaring it. Next 2 remains same, cosec 60 degree, just reciprocal of sin is cosec. So if sin 60 is root 3 by 2, cosec 60 is 2 by root 3. Again this is squared, so 2 by root 3 square. Next 3 by 4 remain intact. Value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So square means 1 by root 3 square. Now root 3 square nothing but 3, 4 by 3 mean intact, and root 3 by 2 whole square means 3 into 3 by 4, root 3 square means 3, 2 square means 4, 2 remains same, 2 by root 3 square, 2 square means 4, root 3 square means 3, minus 3 by 4, 1 by root 3 square means 1 by 3. So in this case 3 3 cancel out, we get 4, in this case 3 3s are 9 by 4, this is 2 4s are 8, 8 by 3, and this one 3 3 cancel out, 1 by 4, that is equals to, for this we write here insufficient place. So this is 4 minus 8 by 3, this one taken this way, and this is 9 by 4 minus 1 by 4 for simplicity. The LCM is 3, 3 into 4, 12, 12 minus 8, and this LCM is 4, 9 minus 1, yes, 9 minus 1, no problem. 9 minus 1 is 8, 8 by 4, and 12 minus 8 is 8 also, 8 by 3. So 8 by 4, that is nothing but 2. So 8 by 3 minus 2, that is LCM is 3, 3 to the 6, 2 by 3. This is the answer. Final answer is 2 by 3. Next, another question, sum number 8 of same. Find the value of tan 60 degree minus tan 30 degree, 1 plus tan 60 tan 30, cos 60 cos 30 plus sin 60 sin 30. Value of tan 60 is root 3. So here root 3. Value of tan 30 1 by root 3. Again value of tan 60 root 3, tan 30 1 by root 3. This is tan cos 60 half, cos 30 root 3 by 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 30 half. Put here, and we see that root 3 root 3 cancel out. This is 1, 1 plus 1 2 in numerator, and this is root 3 minus 1 by root 3. LCM is root 3 minus 1 by root 3, that is nothing but root 3 is the LCM, root 3 into root 3, that is 3 minus 1, right here, 3 minus 1 by root 3, this root 3 into root, this is the, this root 3, this one and 2, and this one root 3 by 4, this is also root 3 by 4. If we adding these two to root 3 by 4, so first one 2 by 2 root 3, this is 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 means 2, 2 by 2 root 3, and this is root 3 by 2. Again this is 2 to cancel out, 1 by root 3 and root 3 by 2. After simplification we get the answer. So it is very simple question, just put the value and you get the answer. Next question of the same exercise 6. So that tan square pi by 4 into sin pi by 3 into tan pi by 6 into tan square pi by 3 is equal to 1 whole 1 by 2. So start from left hand side. This is the answer, this is the question, and this is the answer. Tan square pi by 4 into sin pi by 3, tan pi by 6 into tan square pi by 3. Convert into degree first for easy. Tan pi by 4 means 45 degree, tan square 45, sin 60 degree, tan 30 degree, and tan square 60 degree. So tan square 45, tan 45 degree, value of tan 45 degree is 1, value of sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2, value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3, and value of tan 60 is root 3. Since it is tan square, so root 3 square. 1 square means 1, root 3 by 2 remain intact, 1 by 3, this is root 3 square means 3. Now root 3 cancel out, this then you get 3 by 2, that is nothing but 1 whole 1 by 2. That's all. Very simple question, just put the value. Here it is given in radian unit, first we convert into degree, then solve it, or in the radian unit you can also solve it. Okay. Next question, question number 7 2. X, find the value of x if x into sin 60 cos square 30 is equal to tan square 45 sec 60 by cos 60. Just put the value, sin 60 root 3 by 2, cos square 30 cos 30 root 3 by 2 square, tan 45 1, sec 60 2, and cosec 60 2 by root 3. So this is nothing but root 3 square means 3, and root 3 by 2 are remain same, 2 square means 4, x, this is 2 into root 3 by 2. After simplification we get x, required solution is x is equal to 2 whole 2 by 3. That's enough. Very easy, just put the value and simplify, we get the answer of x.